Warning. This footage contains real fake bears and their real fake habitats. This footage is not for the faint of heart.
Oh, like that bear right there. Hey, look, I died.
The bear killed you?
Oh, fuck yeah, the bear killed me. Oh my god, no! There's no way! I found another bear!
What? You're shitting me.
There's one right outside of our house. Alright. Yeah.
How far outside of our base is it?
Right behind our base. I spawned at the other one and now I'm making a run for it again for my other shit.
Okay.
Oh, hey, look at that bear's killing me again.
Really?
I fucking hate my life. I hate...
Yeah, I swear, you have been killed, like, by volume more by bears than anything else.
Oh yeah, no, absolutely. It's absolutely ridiculous. And it's always when, like, things are going great and, you know, I'm always on super high alert for, like, people gonna kill me. And all of a sudden this bear's like, motherfucker, and just pops out and destroys me. Until another bear pops, fucking just puts on his jetpack and shoots down from the stars, landing 20 feet away from me, unnoticed, and hiding in wait, as this fucking game seems to do. I've heard the song 1, 2, 3, 4 by Plain White Tees.
Uh-huh.
I feel like 1, 2, 3, 4 by the Plain Black Bears, for me, would be 1 way, 2 say, 3 deaths, bear, 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 bear. Semi-automatic rifle. I'm out! I'm out!
Pookie bear?
What?
Oh, it's just an item on the...
Look, I found a fucking bear! Oh.
Get inside the base as quick as you can.
I already did! I always keep a map in my hotbar because of this fucking reason. And this reason alone. When a bear sees you, you run to the road. Hey, there's that bear. Can you kill the bear quick and then immediately run to the house?
Where's the bear?
Over there. Oh, the helicopter's coming. Just leave, just leave, just leave.
It's dead.
Okay.
Man, that stupid thing shot me up.
You die.
Okay, can you grab my stuff?
Oh, I found me. Hold on. The helicopter's right above me though, so I can't pick up my gun. Oh, I can, because I can take
I'll
it
just
off
head
my
to the-
body.
Head to the dam.
Maybe the helicopter already ate your body.
Cute. Damn it, I had a great gun.
What were you
It was all
wearing?
kitted out, too. I was wearing, like, wood camouflage and
Oh wow, that's
metal
great.
chest piece.
Looks like the camouflage really works. Really works.
Found it. Yes!
For me.
Shit, yeah.
Apparently.
Pulling ass back to base.
Oh my god, no. Oh my god, I
What?
found a bear. Fucking killed by a bear. Are you fucking kidding? This is
Where are you?
on the road.
Where-
I'm literally dying. Oh my god, how the fuck is this even
Just get
happening?
back.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
How did you...
And that bear killed me. And the helicopter's above. The helicopter has. The bear has hired helicopters protection. Is my theory.
Yeah, no shit. You were before?
Yep. I probably died.
I see the bear. That cocky son of a bitch.
Like what?
He's
the
just like...
fuck?
Holy shit, there's 2! There was 2 of them. One of them just killed me.
What?
It's like they're the damn raptors from Jurassic Park.
I found my body. That was my body.
I mean, our bodies should look pretty different given the gender.
Correct. You know, I don't
Also,
only...
I'm black and you're like white as snow.
Hey, look, I'm dying because of fucking bear. I'm still on
I
the road.
see this.
Are you fucking
Yeah, I
kidding
see
me?
this shit happening right
Are
now.
you fucking kidding me?
Oh shit! No, there's a bear. The damn bear came back down from the woods
I
and
fucking
is
hate
just
this
murking
game.
me.
I hate this fucking
Oh,
game. I actually think
son of a bitch.
I actually hate this game. Are you?
I'm
kidding?
heading straight back home.
There's just lines of me at this point.
Running straight back home. I probably look atrocious right now. Why would the bear eat my pants?
Too bad it wasn't your homework, am I right? Alright. Just back away.
I guess.
Just back away from your lifeless corpse, Ethan. Both of them.